Welcome. If you want to control who can reply to your posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, there's a new feature that lets you allow only verified accounts to respond. This is a great way to keep your conversations focused, cut down on spam, and ensure you're interacting with trusted users. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set this up on your PC, using the latest update. First, open your browser and head over to X. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look at the left side menu and click on Post. This is where you'll start crafting your message. Go ahead and write what you want to share. Whether it's a thought, an announcement, or even a photo or video. You have full creative control, so make your post as engaging as you like. Now, before you hit that post button, let's set up the reply restriction. Right below your post, you'll see an option labeled Who Can Reply. By default, this is usually set to everyone. Click on it and you'll see a few choices. Select Verified Accounts. This means only users with a verified badge. Those blue check marks will be able to reply to your post. Anyone else can still see and share your post, but only verified accounts can join the conversation directly. Once you've made your selection, double-check your post to make sure everything looks good. When you're ready, click Post. That's it. Your message is now live, and only verified accounts can reply. This feature is especially helpful if you want to keep discussions high quality, or avoid unwanted replies from bots and trolls. Remember, verified accounts are typically subscribed to X Premium and have met certain criteria for authenticity and activity. Try this out the next time you want to post something important or start a meaningful conversation. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on getting the most out of X.